Hey there everyone, this is Julie with Be Smart Social Media, and I am giving you an update today on some YouTube features that have rolled out over the past year that you should be aware of for yourselves and potential clients. And as you know, we put an emphasis on video here at Be Smart, and we've been doing a lot of video. I would recommend that you all do the same thing because I think video is becoming more and more important. But it's important for you all to know how to use YouTube beyond just kind of the standard features. So there are a couple of features on YouTube that are relevant to you right now, and then there are some that you kind of have to grow into as you grow your YouTube channel. So the other feature that's relevant to you all is the YouTube Premieres feature. Now, premieres are, it's basically the same thing. You upload your video, you kind of go through the same steps, but you mark it as a premiere. And what that does is what happens is your users actually will get to see that a premiere is coming. So it almost does like a countdown to your premiere coming out, which is something that can build some excitement, almost build like a watch party for your viewers. And so you get a little bit of free promotion around that video if you mark it as a premiere. And so this is great for, a video that needs to be edited, but it is something kind of like an announcement, or you can use it for just about any type of video you're posting, quite honestly. I wouldn't want to overuse it, so it's great if you do have kind of a ongoing episode-based type of YouTube channel, but you wouldn't want to use it like for these types of videos. I wouldn't use it. So you want to have a little bit of a balance there in terms of when you're using Premiere. Another feature, now these are two features that you have to have 10,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel to actually have, but you should know about these and just be aware of them, even if you don't have that number of subscribers. So the first is YouTube Stories has come out. And, we've seen stories on Instagram, we've seen stories on Facebook and some other social channels, but you can now do stories on YouTube if you have 10,000 subscribers. Now, usually what happens is they test, a social network will test it with certain people and then will release it to everyone. I don't know if YouTube plans to do that or not. This might be a way just for them to reward people who have built up a following there, but you can do stories on YouTube if you have that number of followers. And then finally, YouTube, if you have 10,000 followers or more, YouTube has a feature where you can actually charge people for specific content. So you can still put your free content out there, but you can also now charge people for content. So that's a really cool feature. You have to have 10,000 subscribers to get to it, but if you don't have that, you could still use a website like Patreon, where you could release unique content on Patreon to your subscribers who pay you, $1 a month, $5 a month, $1 a video, whatever it is, to kind of have that workaround. But YouTube does have that feature as well now for channels with 10,000 subscribers or more. So you should be aware of that as you're out there talking to individuals and, just staying up to date on the features. So that is YouTube today. Channels change all the time. Some of these features I'm sure will change, but you will at least be armed with some knowledge when you're out there talking to your connections and your network, so that you can be educated about some of the features that are available on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of your referrals that you send. Please continue to send those. We're happy to talk to any business owner or any marketing team that you send our way. We take good care of, and we hope you have a good one. Thanks a lot, guys.